शुक्रवार गजपति जिला परालाखेमुंडी साई इंटरनेशनल होटेल रे कांग्रेस दल तरफ गजपति जिला वरिष्ठ नागरिक तथा बुद्धिजीवी मानक नहीं एक आलोचना चक्र आयोजन होता है। यही कार्यक्रम रे मुख्य अतिथि भाव अखिल भारत कांग्रेस कमिटी पर्यवेक्षक एन रघुवीर रेड्डी जोगदे कांग्रेस दल को मजबूत करने निवेदन करथिले। तासह समस्त वरिष्ठ नागरिक मानक सुविधा असुविधा पचारि बुझिथिले। एही कार्यक्रम रे अन्य मानक मध्य मान्यवर मोहना विधायक दाशरथी गमांगक सह कांग्रेस रा वरिष्ठ नेता माने उपस्थित थिले। गजपतिरु संतोष कुमार पंडांक रिपोर्ट टीआर संवाद।
So, if you give some inputs, it will be helpful while submitting the report. So those points also, my friends are here, Mr. Gautam and Ramakrishna, they are here, they are helping me. They are the people recording all the opinions, so they will also record your opinions, and I will submit along with the political report. I will also submit the report of the intellectuals, the feedback from the intellectuals. Now I leave to the House. Please respond. Beyond that, let me not talk much. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming.
I request
Centurion University.
and first of all, apart from the politics, okay, I came here. Actually, one of my friends is Renu, and he called me, and our chief guest today, and Raghuveera Reddy sir. Actually, I impressed it. Actually, I came here to meet one of my role model. Actually, I am having some politicians like Reddy sir. The another one is Aram Naidu's son, and he is a young, and we are most of us, and we are taking that particular person as a role model. Okay, but why I impressed with his thoughts, and apart from the politics, actually I am coming from a like agriculture background. I seen some of his videos, I inspired. Apart from the politics, I think most of you people, you are aware, and you seen in the social media, and Raghuveera Reddy sir, and he did a lot about his village, and he constructed one temple. I seen him, and he is also very passionate. He's very passionate in the agriculture, and why? Because I am also very passionate in agriculture. That's why I came to take some input from him. And why? Because in our area, especially in my village, 45 to 50% of the population, they are migrated to Chennai as well as in Hyderabad. That is a major issue, sir. The another one is Odisha, and especially the Gajapati, is we are having the enrich of natural resources. But the problem is the government is not focusing. And for example, if we see the ecotourism, one of our senior person, and they say that one of our senior brother right to identify that, and we are having the Mahendragiri is one of the enriched resource, and we are having, and it's a heritage. But unfortunately, we are not having that much of ecotourism in this particular place. Like the Gandahati waterfall is there, and like the same thing, the Gumma is also, weather condition is very suitable. It looks like a mini Kashmir. But the government, they are not taking the initiatives for the development of these regions. Okay, actually I want to focus the 2 or 3 issues, the major issues what we are facing in Gajapati. The first one is the migration. And the migration, the main reason is, and we are having the enrich of, actually the Krishna Chandra Gajapati constructed the n number of reservoirs. Like Gajapati Sagar is there near my village, and Ram Sagar, and I think you also seen in the on the beach, and the Seet Sagar and the Krishna Sagar. But most of the sagars are existing. But
is sweet in nature now?